National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, central Morris County, northeastern Northampton County, and eastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Delaware Water Gap to Tatamy, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Dover, Hopatcong, Hackettstown, Warden, Washington, Rockaway, Blairstown, Bangor, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mendham, Stanhope, Hamburg, Netcong, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Ogdensburg, and Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Sussex, and Warren.